everybody. This is Doug with Beechwood Tiny Home. I want to introduce you to our New England tiny home model. This particular home has our cedar siding on it. This is Western red cedar, so it's going to red up over time like your New England farmhouses do. It's going to come with a mini split. This particular model is 10 feet wide and 30 feet long, 13.6 high. It is a 2-bedroom with a first floor bedroom, a very spacious kitchen, a large bathroom, and a very spacious loft as well, with storage under the stairs and a pantry. As you'll see when we get inside, this particular model, the customer is going to put this on the property permanently, so it's going to have 200 amp service, where you'll see the panel at the very back, the outside. It is a triaxle trailer, so it's 21,000 pounds, perfect for the weight that this trailer is going to have. On this tiny home, we have a standing seam metal roof. You can see it's a gable in. We also have the outdoor lights. You'll find that on both ends of the home. Nice big spacious windows. This is the entrance side of the New England farmhouse. You can see this home has a spigot for the outside because it's going to be permanently placed. We also have a double French door, both doors open. One is active, one is passive, but they do both still open. See, there's nice lights on the outside. You will have a choice of what lights you want, but these really went good with this home. Now come on in, let me show you the inside. This is the living area, an open area to the kitchen, nice big ceiling, nice ceiling fan, mini split on this end. We'll just let you quickly see the video. Now, let's take a look at the kitchen. As you can see right here, we have a nice big full range. It's complete. This happens to be a 5-burner model picked by the customer. This is optional. You will have a choice on that as well. Things like brackets for the shelves will have options as well. Butcher block countertop, nice big deep sink right here. Nice window sills for you to put plants on. Beautiful pendant lights. There's also a vent in the kitchen. Nice. This is an 18 cubic foot refrigerator. This home also features an 27 kilowatt on-demand electric water heater that is conveniently placed under the counter here. We make our homes very easy to access things like that by making this short cabinet here easily and quickly removable should that ever need to be replaced. This home comes with the flooring. This is vinyl flooring. It's the restored wood flooring. It's all throughout the entire home, including the loft. In the kitchen also, we have a nice backsplash. This customer happened to pick out handcrafted tiles for the backsplash. This is also optional as we go through designing your custom tiny home. This home comes with a 200 amp panel. As I said, this customer is going to permanently mount this and live in this for good on their own property. Also, we created a nice spacious pantry here with adjustable. This home comes with a pantry with adjustable shelving, as I was saying. Come check out the bathroom with its nice pocket door, lockable pocket door. As you come in, you'll see that there's plenty of room in here. I'm kind of a big guy. There's plenty of room in there. We have the vanity here. It's a very smaller vanity. We have a corner toilet, dual flush. We have a nice bifold door going into a 34-inch shower. Again, the bathroom layout is going to be optional. This one just happens to come with the laundry facilities, both washer and dryer stacked in the corner, and a window for plenty of ventilation and light, and then a vent fan that is running on a humidistat. Check out the bedroom. We have a nice barn door here sliding on the inside. Come on in. It's very spacious in here. We have a ceiling fan. We also have a nice closet, 5 by 20 inches deep. It also has a lot of storage up above it, supported by the very tall ceilings in this home. Imagine this view when you wake up in this tiny house. Look at the beautiful view these spacious windows provide. Come on up, let's check out the loft. But first, let's talk about these beautiful stairs. Custom crafted stairs with bullnosing. We also have a lower landing and upper landing and a nice beautiful handrail. You can also notice we'll have pictures of the beautiful detail of the hand railing as well as the newel post. Here we are at the top of the landing. You have an egress window here to get out of the loft if you ever need to. Let's take a look at the loft up here now. This is a beautiful loft, nice big spacious loft. As you can see, I'm pretty tall, still fit in here really well. We have a couple of windows for ventilation here. Between that and the egress window behind you there, you'll notice that that creates a lot of cross ventilation in this home. It's a great second bedroom, guest bedroom, or just storage if you wanted. Nice place to hang out, read a book. You can even put a TV on the wall or something like that. Set up here by yourself.